Hi friends, today you'll learn how to add image as signature in Gmail. To start, go to your Gmail. At the top right corner of the screen, you click on the gear icon to open up your settings. Then you choose See All Settings. Here, this is where all the preferences are set up for Gmail. Under the General section, you scroll down until you see Signature. Then you tap on the plus sign to create a new signature. You create your signature name. Now, on the editing screen beside your signature name, input the information that you want in your signature. You could add your phone number or email address. You could also lay emphasis on a word in the information. You can add a link. You can increase the font size of your message. Now, to add a picture, you tap the image icon in the list of options below the editing section. It could be your logo or whatever picture you want. So you click on the picture and you can select or upload a new picture. Let's try uploading a picture here. Now the picture has been uploaded in the signature settings. So to adjust the size of the image, you click on the image and you select either small, medium, large or original size depending on the size you want. Good. Once you're done, you have to choose where the picture is going to be used. Select where to use the picture and set them for different tasks. To do that, you scroll just down a bit. Then you can include your signature if you are replying or forwarding emails by clicking on this box here. This is the signature name. You include it for new emails. You also include it for forwarding or replying emails. And it will insert the picture according to your preferred tags. The last thing to do is to scroll down at the very bottom and you click on Save Changes before you exit, or else all changes will be lost and not saved. Now you can compose an email with your signature in place. It's just that easy, guys. I hope this video helps. Do well to like and share for more useful content. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.